Hello all, welcome to our channel. So how we can uploading for multiple videos at a time uploading for Facebook page. So how we can what is the purpose of uploading video at a time once again to my Facebook page option. Facebook page uploading video main reason earning money from Facebook option. People watching the views, the earning money will be possible. So when it is possible for earning money from Facebook, they can give one kind of option that is called monetization. So when is applicable monetization in a Facebook option? Everything, no monetization branches. If he is eligible for earning money from Facebook, 5,000 followers, 60,000 total eligible minutes viewed in last 60 days. You have to minimum views required for in a 60 days, 60,000 views and 5 active videos on your page. 5 active videos on your page. Next, live broadcast or previously live videos, content suitable for ads, 10,000 followers and 6 lakhs total eligible minutes viewed in the 60 days option. The in-stream ads and in-stream ads live option. Both earning money from each here. So what is our task? I have to earning money from Facebook. I can upload the videos. That your task. You have to start it in the Facebook option. Now coming to this, here one more option. So I'm using my video to other Facebook page also. It is any affected? Affected is nothing but only view will be affected. Only for view will be affected. Nothing will be affected will be here. So that is the compulsory main problem for particular Facebook earning money from that. So here it is how you can uploading for multiple videos on at a time on Facebook page option. So select here bulk upload videos. Click. So at a time, how many videos you can upload in one Facebook page option? At a time, you can upload by 50 videos. Not one, not two, not three, not four. The upload will be complete 50 videos. I'll go to the video option. Right now, I'm selecting this video. How many videos I'm selecting right now? 4 videos. So, what is the title? What is the description? Automatically, what is the title will be given? Same title which is selected by the video uploading time. So, proper title when upload the video on your particular option, you have to use it. After that, what is our title? Same will be description. What is your title? Same will be description. What is your title? Same will be description. What is your title? Same will be description. Publish now, publish now, publish now, publish now. N number option is there. But here, very important option is called social media content. That is called, we can using will be social media content. That is called, you are using hashtags. Everything is compulsory important. That is called SMO content. What are the SMO content you have? The compulsory you will be added by your particular option. So that is the purpose. I'm using this content. Here it is. Copy the content. Where I'm pasting the description part. That. So any other option is required. Here it is called publish, schedule, save draft. Right now I'm schedule post also. Schedule post, today date will be 29, 8:43 is the time. Suppose I am given by the 7:43, not possible. Why? Because required 20 minutes to up to 29 days you have to schedule the post. So now is 8 o'clock. My schedule will be 8:21. 8:1, 8:5 this is not applicable. After 20 minutes, schedule post applicable. Why? The order post will be done. Next schedule will be after that. So 19 will be given by the 21. Here will given by the 9 o'clock. When you click for more update option, what are the priorities? Optimization. Anything we can add your particular options. See this. Publish, checking the video, and schedule post, share now, draft. All options are will be eligible. Here you can add your series of playlists also will be applicable. What are the playlists you can add will be? Playlist nothing but in your one video, we can add will be multiple options. We can add will be multiple options. So that is called here, click for save. The schedule, same schedule. Here will be in this. Sir, I'm not interested today. Again, schedule will be 6 o'clock. And schedule will be 23. Right. One is a published right now. The remaining re will be scheduled. When I'm uploading before time, your schedule will be every option. Proper title and proper description and proper thumbnail. Thumbnail also you can change will be here. Upload your custom thumbnail also will applicable. So both can applicable. So which is you are interested, that you can add will be here. Optimization, caption, everything is done. When you publish time, add your particular playlist. What are the playlists you want? Add the particular playlist. So playlist is mandatory or not? Playlist will be engage a more audience, the particular keyword. So any series will be here. Reach new audience to grow your ads. This is compulsory important. Video upload time, very much of patience is required. So I'm uploading video, my task is done, my headache will be gone. Not like that. Upload video time. Why a purpose is uploading videos? What is the purpose? I can engage the audience. People know about my videos and it's coming to my YouTube channel. And they come into my earning part. I have to increase my video earnings and I can engage my more audience. That all belongs to here. So click. One will show you in edit. Go to publication. Important is called. Here it is called if you share any other pages or I'm adding for playlist. So reach new audience for series and playlist will be here. So can I create the new playlist? Yes, you can create new playlist also. How it is possible? Create a new playlist. So how many playlists you create? As you wish. Add the top best playlist. Click here, save it and publish it. At a time, I can upload the 4 videos with a different style. Publishing, schedule with a proper playlist and proper the content. So how much time will be taken? Just you can less than 10 minutes, less than 5 minutes, less than 1 minute based on the publishing time and your internet speed. Your video will be shared based on your selected publishing option. Done. So and video everything finished. Where I can check. After all upload video, they can show option name is called content and planner. You can check will be content, schedule video, upload video, everything will show will be option name is called content option. This is only applicable by Facebook business shoot option. No other option will be applicable to upload the bulk videos. Only one and only option to upload the video is the Facebook business shoot. So this is the way upload the bulk videos on your particular Facebook page option. So if any further questions, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.